Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to cut a wooden plank using a reciprocating saw. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So first of all guys, I would suggest you should have proper safety before everything. Especially I cover your eyes with proper glasses, because when a saw like reciprocating saw that moves up and down a lot, it generates a lot of particles, and so you never want those tiny particles to insert into your eyes, right? Your eyes are very important. So first make sure you have that, then gloves, and also protection in your legs, that also if something falls. Okay, now the key is to hold this plank very tightly. Right now this is not my workshop, instead my garage, so that's why I don't have clamps etc, but clamp it so that it is fixed at the place, because as I said, because it's gonna vibrate a lot. So if you don't have it fixed, and if it vibrates, there is high chance it's gonna just move away from the original trajectory you really want it to go for. Okay, so that's the first thing you should do. Next, you should have a reciprocating saw with a specialized blade. Okay, the one I have. And then it's always good to mark, okay, where you want to make a cut, because this is just a test video. I'm not doing that, but it's always good to put a mark, and then you can start cutting it. So you have to, the firm you hold, I mean this and this both, the firm grip you have, better cut you'll be able to make. Now the blade should be sharpened. This is a cheap test blade, that's why it's taking some time. Otherwise with a sharp blade the cuts move much faster. Okay, now when the cut is moving, hold your hand steady. Okay, so as you can see, I'm almost there. Okay, so here is the piece. I finally managed to do the cut. But yes, this was done without clamp, but in your real environment don't do it. Use clamp so that it goes straight. For me it slightly moved, because as I said, I did not have any clamp, and that's how I was doing. But yeah, use clamps and protection. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.